In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate an aged payables report in your accounting software. This process will help you effectively track what you owe to your suppliers and understand your financial commitments at a glance. Let's dive in and walk through each step together, ensuring you can produce the most tailored and useful report possible. To start, navigate to the main menu of the dashboard. From there, you'll want to locate the reporting section. This is the gateway to accessing all the critical financial insights that the software offers. Once you are in the reporting section, keep an eye out for the option labeled Aged Payables Report. You'll typically find this within the Payables and Receivables section, but you can always use the search bar if you need a quicker route. Within the section, you'll notice options for both the Aged Payables Summary and Aged Payables Detail Report. Each option provides unique perspectives on your payables information. The summary gives a high-level view, while the detail report dives into more specifics. Decide which one suits your needs best, or run both to gain a comprehensive understanding. Simply click on the desired report to proceed. Next, you need to define the date range of the information you wish to view. You can select a specific date or choose from preset periods like end of last month. This feature allows you to tailor the report based on the most relevant time frame for your current analysis. Now, let's set the age periods. This option will let you decide how to segment your payable data. You can display these in durations that make the most sense for your business. For example, monthly, bi-monthly, or quarterly. Choosing the right periods will help you capture the payment cycles your business typically adheres to. To fine-tune the report to your specific preferences or requirements, you might want to adjust things like the report's grouping, the number of decimal places you wish to display, or even the columns that appear. These adjustments can be made under the Report Settings or Customize options. These settings are incredibly helpful if you need to focus on particular data points or prefer a specific presentation style in your report. Once you've completed all your customizations and selections, the final step is to simply click the Update button. This will generate a report that reflects all the settings you've chosen. Waiting for the results takes only a few seconds in most cases, and once it's ready, you'll have a clear, personalized view of your pending obligations. And there you have it, a fully tailored aged payables report right at your fingertips. This report will empower you to make informed decisions about your business's short-term financial obligations, all thanks to just a few simple steps.